Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to add the page number on your Google Docs PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
To add the page number on your Google Docs, you just click on the insert option here. So you can find the page number option here. So here there will be a 4 option. You can choose 4 options of page number advanced option. So here the page number option here, just click here. You can see the page number will be on the top of the page. So these are the first child. There is a first child of, you can select the page number. You can also choose it on the bottom, or you can also choose it as a even, like odd even page numbers by using this option. And there is a lot more advanced option that you can use in the page number. So I just going, you can see the page number was inserted in my lower, at the bottom, and also on the top. So you can use it both as both the top and bottom page number also simultaneously. So here you can also edit. Just go to the option here. You can see you can remove the page number for a particular page by using this option, or just click on the page number. You can see I just changes the position of the page number above the header or below the header. You can just choose this, and you can also have a lot of options. You can just type any name, for an example page 1, or you can type as a word 1, whatever that your document name, whatever else. And you can also add the header and footer changes. I just copied this. You can see now, find that the odd number will be shown on the pages and the even number will not be shown on the pages. You just want to click this and click on apply. This will reflect in the page numbers and odd even that you want to show on even numbers or you don't want to show. You can also make the page numbers child from this option, and you can also select the starting page number of any pages from the middle also. If I can find an example, I just change it here. You can see 6, 7, the starting page number has I am assigned. So you can also change the page number, starting number can be assigned from this particular option. So by using this options, advanced option, you can set the page number for any book or article that you created.
Friends, if you find this video informative, like this video, share this video with your friends, and if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with your valuable Google Docs content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.